Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Teachable course content and students, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Teachable course content, begin by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the Courses section on the left sidebar. Select the course you want to back up. Go to the Curriculum tab within your course. For each lecture or module, click on the Settings icon. Choose Download to save each lecture's content to your device. Repeat this process for all modules in your course to ensure everything is backed up. Next, to back up your student information, go to the Users section. Here, you will see a list of all your enrolled students. Click on the Export button at the top right. This will generate a CSV file containing your student details. Download this CSV file and store it in a secure location. To back up your quiz content, navigate back to the Curriculum tab. Open each quiz and manually copy the questions and answers to a document. Alternatively, take screenshots of the quiz settings for reference. Make sure to also back up any uploaded files or resources in your course. Visit the Files section to download any necessary materials. After completing these steps, ensure all files are organized in a dedicated folder for easy access. Finally, routinely repeat this backup process to keep your content and student information up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.